What's up, guys? Today I am going to show fire alarms, smoke alarm, and heat detector. Here is the first fire alarm I got right here. Pretty nice, huh? And here's the second alarm I got. A ceiling. Then another one. The third alarm, Spectre Alert Advance. See it? And here's the fourth fire alarm I got. Spectre Alert Classic. Huh? It's really nice. And here's the another fire alarm. The fifth fire alarm. And I'm gonna show you the sixth alarm. And this one is a sixth alarm from upstairs. Here's another Spectre Alert Advance. It's white, has no horn strobe. Has no horn strobe. You see it? Next up, it's a smoke alarm. Here's a smoke alarm right here, and another one right here, right there. And in my room, here's another smoke alarm right here, next to the sprinkler. They're not sprinkler. And here's another smoke alarm right here. And here's right here, and this another smoke alarm and another smoke alarm. And from the living room, here's another smoke alarm. And this is next last up is the heat detector. Here's the heat detector right here and right here. Okay, bye.